Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nabila Herunisa Kuswaya, student majoring in International Relations, Faculty of Social and Politics Science, University of Muhammadiyah, Yogyakarta. Now, I want to review some of beauty products that I use in daily. I'm using product from Klavuu. For your information, Klavuu is one of domestic brand from Korea that contain pearl extract to protect your skin from damage by UVA and UVB radiation, which is dangerous, so that your skin will not burn caused by the radiation. There are a lot of products from Klavuu, like skincare, cosmetic, and other. The Klavuu product that I use now is Skincare All-in-One Survival Kit Edition. The product is interesting because it uses thick plastic with hologram. The product is also very simple, so that can bring for traveling easily. In this All-in-One Survival Kit Edition, we will get 5 products plus 1 free mask, including face wash, day cream, sunscreen, toner, and serum. I will explain for the function of each product. 1. Toner. This toner can remove dead skin cells that cause dull skin and giving soothing effect. This toner can also make your skin evenly bright and glowing. This toner texture is not too watery, but it is not as solid as Essence concentration, but it will mild your skin. Number 2, face wash. This creamy cleansing foam is fit for all skin types. This face wash produces a lot of solid, soft foam. The foam is so effective to remove remaining makeup, dirt, or excess oil. Number 3, serum. Pure concentration in the serum function is to decrease pigmentation on skin and make skin clear. In addition, the serum contains complex seaweed extract that used for prevent skin aging and dry skin. Number 4, moisturizer. This moisturizer works for lock all skincare that have been applied. It also can control oily on skin. The texture is solid and sits quickly into skin. The cream is suitable to be applied for oily skin because it will not leaving sticky feel. Number 5, sunscreen. This sunscreen contains 50 SPF that shape used to be all day long. You just need to apply again for until 5 hours. The cream is light, not sticky, and not leaving white cast. You can get Klavuu's product in online shop that provide courier from Korea, but you have to make sure that the store is trusted.